Hi, well, welcome back to Tiny RV Cooking. First, I'd like to invite you to like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell for new notification of videos. I'll be putting out new videos every Monday and Wednesday. So today, we are making Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer Bacon Ranch Cheese Ball. If you'd like to see how I make this super easy recipe, stay tuned and I'll show you how. I found this recipe from Number 2 Pencil. I'll leave a link down below where you can find this great recipe. 1 8-ounce cream cheese. I'm making a small cheese ball. A little over 1/3 cup of sharp cheddar cheese. Roughly 1/4 cup of bacon bits. And 1 tablespoon of ranch. This is just for a small one. We're going to give it a good mix. To make a ball out of this, I find this easiest to use a measuring cup, spray the inside with a little bit of oil to make it easier to come out, rub it a little bit. Make sure you get plenty of oil in it so it makes it easy to slide. You're going to want to use a neutral oil so it won't flavor it too much. That's why I'm using canola oil. It's a little more neutral. Try to smooth it around just best as possible. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're going to want to lay out your saran wrap. Put a little bit of oil on your hands, just very little, and rub it in, and it will slide out. We're going to want to pat a little bit of the oil off. Get it off our spatula. It's a messy job. With your oil hands, you're going to just make a ball. You're going to pat off any excess oil. See? Just roll it into a nice little ball, and we'll finish it off in the saran wrap. We're going to refrigerate this overnight. It's best if you can refrigerate it for a week or before you use it, because the longer you refrigerate it, the better it's going to taste. Here's a pretty good ball. We're going to put our saran wrap over it, and we're going to twist the sides. While it's in a refrigerator and it's setting up, you can just keep forming the ball with your hands, just to make it a nice round ball. And there, our cheese ball is ready to go in the refrigerator overnight. In 24 hours, we let our cheese ball chill down, marinate. If you leave this in longer, the flavors get even better. We're going to unwrap it. We're going to put it in pecans that are been crushed. If you can't have nuts, or you're going somewhere with someone who has nut allergies, use crushed pretzels instead. So I can just reform it in a little more ball. We're going to press it down as we roll it. And coated. I'm going to put it on our plate that we're going to use. We're going to use pretzels as our antlers. We're just going to stick these right on top. Any way you want to put them in works just fine. Just make sure you press them in nice and firm. I'm going to use a little M&M, and I'm going to press holes in for the eyes to make it easier for the olives in. 1, 2. Try to pop it out. We're going to have little olives for our eyes. Just push those in. And for our nose, we're going to use that M&M. Put in the center of our plate. Use any crackers you will like. I got Wheat Thins and I have pretzels. Butter crackers work really well too. Or even celery and stuff like that if you want like a little more healthy. We're just gonna put a little bit around. Now we're going to garnish. We're just going to put like a little bit of fresh thyme around. And a little bit of cranberries. Just to give it a little bit of color. There. And now we have our reindeer cheese ball. It looks great. It's really a cute, easy idea to take to any of your Christmas parties or New Year's Eve parties, or even for the home. And now for the best part, we get to taste it. And now finally the fun part. We get to try our reindeer cheese ball. Cut it from the back of it, just to preserve the face a little bit longer. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. Mmm. Mmm. So good, so easy to make. Did not take long to make this at all. It'd be great for holiday parties or just to have around the house. And it's really cute, and your children can even help you make this. Thank you for coming to Tiny RV Cooking. I'd like to invite you to like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell for new notification on videos. I put out new videos every Monday and Wednesday. Leave a comment down below what you'd like to see me make in my tiny RV. Leave a comment down below for any recipes you have made. My camper is only 22 foot long, but I love her. I'll see you next time on Tiny RV Cooking. Bye!